Anker r50i versus Anker p2i. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel for more this type of content.
Yeah, you will see. This is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about design and build. R50i provided compact, lightweight, modern design. And P2i provided sleek design, slightly bulky. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the audio quality. 50i provided 10 mm drivers, rich bass, enhanced clarity. And P2 provided 10 mm drivers, decent bass. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the battery life. R50 provided up to 10 hours, 50 hours with case battery life. And P2 provided up to 8 hours, 28 hours with case battery life. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the water resistance. 50i provided IPX5 sweet and splash proof water resistant, and P2 provided IP into 4 basic splash resistance. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the Bluetooth version. R50i provided Bluetooth 5.3 stable and low latency, and P2 provided Bluetooth 5.2. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the noise cancellation. R50 provided AI powered noise cancellation for calls, and P2 provided basic noise isolation. So R50i is better. Now let's look at the touch controls. R50i provided responsive touch controls, and P2 provided button controls. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the customizable EQ. R50i provided adjustable EQ via Sound Core app, and P2 provided limited customization. So 50i is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of R50i is slightly higher, and the price of P2 is budget friendly. So it depends upon the budget. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.